Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove frequently contacted from WhatsApp. So we have a few options, so let's get straight into it. So we will start with the fastest way to remove a specific person from the frequent suggestion list is to eliminate the recent interaction data that feeds the algorithm. So tap and hold the target chat on your main chat screen, like for example this Snapchat, and tap the trash icon at the top and confirm delete deletion. Okay, so let's select trash icon, and now we can delete this chat. So let me show you real quickly here if you can see, like so. So delete chat. Okay, now the next method is, if you do not want to delete your message permanently, you can archive it. The conversation will immediately pull them from the active list. So again, press and hold on the chat. On Android phones, you just swipe left. And now what we need to do is tap on archive icon, a box with a down arrow. So at the really top right corner, this one right here. And as you can see, chat now went to our archived chat folder, and it's gone from our main chats. Now, as you can see right here, if I go under the archived, you will see here this chat. And the last method would be, so if you delete or archive a chat, but the person still pops up on your share sheet, your phone's memory is holding on to cached contact suggestion. So what we are going to do is we will open the device setting like that. Now we go here to the apps, and we need to find now WhatsApp, so we can, I think we can search or just find it in this uh, menu of apps on our phone. So let me give a few more, just like that. And now what we can do is go to storage and cache. So you have it here, storage and cache. And now we can clear storage, clear cache. So clear cache, click on that one, just like so. And go back, and now just click force stop. Okay, and reopen the app. And that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.